Hey guys, how are you? In today's video I'm going to explain to you how I do the installation and configuration of the Xmeye app. This app is common for many DVRs, okay? So I'm going to start here by downloading it from the Play Store. So I'm going to type in here Xmeye. Okay guys, I'm going to download it here and wait for it to download. Well guys, you've already downloaded it here, you've already installed it. I'm going to open the app here. It's starting here the application. It asks if it can access the photo folders for me to record. Just click here on allow, okay. Well, then I need to, for my first access, I need to make a registration here, okay. It's very simple, just enter your email here, then I come down here and click on register, here the email. Well guys, then it will send a code in your email, so you just have to enter your email and see the code and type it here. I'm going to go here to my email and I'm going to see here the code. Well, just open the email and check the code there that it sends in the email. I've got my code here and next step. So I'm going to create a username here, okay? So I'm going to write here, course CCTV 123, okay? Put in a default password here, just to do this test, and I'll give it an okay. Okay guys, I've already created my username here, okay? Now I enter the password I created and tell them to log in. Cool guys, I've logged in here on the app and now I'm going to set up my DVR in the app. I click here on plus and I put here the name of the device. In my case I'm going to create here my test DVR and the serial number, okay guys? I can click here in the corner and scan and I'll go there my QR, or I can manually type in my serial number, okay? So I'm going to type in here my serial number. Okay guys, I've already clicked here, I've already entered the serial number and I'll click here on OK. Okay guys, my DVR has already been added. I click here on top of the equipment and that's it. It's already configured. I'm going to open camera here, camera 1, ready guys, it's already configured. See? I'm here showing up. So that's it guys, I hope the video helped, okay? Below here I'll leave a link with more information about the app, okay? If all of a sudden you want to know how to search for the image, how do I change the dates, I'll leave a link here below that will play for the blog, okay? And there I have more articles related to this app, okay guys? I hope the video helped, okay? Those who are not subscribed, already subscribe, leave their like and see you in the next video. Thanks.